Today we will discuss the topic of leadership in management. What is leadership? Leadership in business is the capacity of a company's management to set and achieve challenging goals, take fast and decisive action when needed, outperform the competition and inspire others to perform at the highest level they can. Types and styles of leadership. Leadership, transactional leadership, autocratic leadership, transformational leadership, servant leadership, democratic leadership, and last, bureaucratic leadership. First of all, transactional leadership. Transactional leadership or transactional management is the art of one style of leadership that focus on supervision, organization, and performance. It's an integral part of the full range leadership model. Second, secondly, autocratic leadership. Autocratic leadership, also known as authoritarian leadership, is a leadership style characterized by individual control overall decisions and little input from group members. Third, transformational leadership. Transformational leadership is a theory of leadership where a leader works with team or followers beyond their immediate self-interest to identify needed change, creating a vision to guide the change through influence, inspiration, and executing the change the tandem with committed members of our group. Servant leadership. Servant leadership is leadership philosophy in which the goal of the leader is to serve. This is different from traditional leadership where the leader's main focus is the thriving of their company or organization instead of the pupil working to serve the leader exists to serve the pupil. Democratic leadership. Democratic leadership or participatory leadership, also known as participate leaders or leadership, is a style of leadership style in which members the group take a more participate role in the decision making process. This type of leadership can apply to any organization from private business to school to government. And last, bureaucratic leadership. Bureaucratic leadership is leadership based upon fixed official duties under a hierarchy to authority, applying a system of rules for management and decision making.